See, when you wiggle your feet, you're not just moving muscles. You're activating circulation, waking up nerves, sending signals all the way back to your brain like, hey, we're alive down here. And your brain? It loves that. It's like flipping a switch from stress to playful, from tense to loose, from serious to, I don't care, I'm vibing. Body loosens up in ways you didn't expect, all from something so simple, so small, so wildly ignored. So when you wiggle your toes, you're not just playing around. You're activating your foundation, loosening tension, releasing stress, reconnecting with your body in a way most people forget to. So go ahead, take a second, kick back, breathe, and let your feet move freely. Because sometimes the smallest motion, simple wiggle, can shift your whole energy. Welcome to Tiptoe Temptation, where toes got more personality than you. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Trust me, you'll need this.